Join me as I dive into the world of STSS stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode. STSS stock has been on a lot of people's radars lately, and for good reason. It's a company that's been making waves in its industry, and investors are eager to see if it can continue its momentum. As we've seen time and time again, a single stock can make or break an investor's portfolio, and STSS has all the makings of a potential game changer. One of the biggest challenges STSS stock has faced recently is the overall market uncertainty. With global tensions running high and economic instability on the rise, investors have been increasingly cautious when it comes to putting their money into the market. This has led to a lot of volatility, and STSS has not been immune to it. In fact, we've seen the stock take a bit of a hit in recent weeks, leaving some investors wondering if it's still a good bet. Another concern is the increasing competition in STSS's industry. As more and more companies enter the fray, the landscape is getting increasingly crowded, and STSS is going to have to find a way to differentiate itself if it wants to come out on top. This is especially true when it comes to attracting new customers. With so many options available, STSS is going to have to offer something truly compelling if it wants to win people over. On top of that, there have been some concerns about STSS's financials. While the company has been posting some impressive numbers, there are some underlying issues that have been raising red flags for some investors. For example, the company's debt-to-equity ratio has been creeping up, and some have been worried about its ability to pay off its debts. And finally, there's the issue of investor sentiment. While some investors are still bullish on STSS, others have been getting cold feet. This has led to a lot of volatility in the stock's price, and it's been making it difficult for investors to get a clear read on where the company is headed. Despite these challenges, there are a lot of factors influencing STSS stock that suggest it could be on the verge of a major breakthrough. For one thing, the company has been making some significant investments in research and development, which could lead to some exciting new products and services down the line. Additionally, the company has been expanding its partnerships and collaborations, which could open up new revenue streams and further solidify its position in the market. Another factor that's been driving STSS stock is the company's commitment to innovation. The company has been at the forefront of its industry, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and identifying new opportunities for growth. This has led to a lot of excitement among investors, who see the company as a true innovator. Furthermore, we've seen some encouraging signs from the company's recent earnings reports. While there are still some areas of concern, the overall trend has been positive, and investors are starting to take notice. In fact, we've seen some analysts upgrading their forecasts for the company, which has led to a lot of excitement among investors. And finally, there's the sheer potential of STSS stock. With the company's strong track record and its commitment to innovation, there's a lot of potential for growth. If the company can continue to execute and drive results, it's not hard to see the stock price soaring. So is STSS stock about to explode? Based on the evidence, it's certainly possible. With the company's strong fundamentals, its commitment to innovation, and its potential for growth, there's a lot of reason to be excited about this stock. And while there are certainly risks involved, the potential rewards could be substantial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to share your thoughts on STSS stock in the comments below. Do you think it's about to take off? And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more stock market insights and analysis.